I really want to do snazzy cuts next because I found this plate. Let's have a look closely. Oh, and I can't wait to see if they make awesome snazzy feather cuts. Not everything works. This is a thin, it could be porcelain or china. Let's have a look. Oh, fine china. In Japan, copyright 1986. Wow. So it should be easy to cut, and it should cut how we want, but it's really unpredictable. So I'll show you on this one because we know this one does it. I've already got some, so I'll just add to that collection. With the snazzy cut, what I do is aim for the sort of about there. So by aiming, I mean point my wheel nippers in that direction. See how it sort of points across there? And then I keep my fingers crossed because you don't know how plate's going to behave. So I got a small, well, a large feather, but not quite snazzy cut. So let me go further, pointing towards 3/4. Whoops. Oh, it's just not playing nicely today, so I'm really going to have to keep my fingers crossed. So that's snazzy cutting not working. Now let's keep our fingers crossed that we get some snazzy cutting working. I'll only try it once because I don't want to ruin this plate, and then I'll find you another one. Sometimes this one actually is quite wasteful when it comes to plates. So now we all got our fingers crossed. I'm praying. Oh, not quite. I'm going to go further in. Oh, it's not going to do it. Oh, yes, I got one. Oh, what an awesome snazzy is that one. But I have big feathers for my mistakes, which is absolutely fine because I'll come in handy somewhere. So it's chipping, and because being such an old plate, we don't know what sort of life this has had. This I probably paid like 30 cents at the local tip shop for this one. So I'm aiming for this edge. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. How awesome is that? Oh my God, I love it. I'm going to do some more and we'll get back. How fabulous are these cuts? So I've got I'll probably use 3 for a tail feather, smaller ones, and you can make flowers out of these. These also make fantastic eyebrows, except I need to learn how to cut left-handed. Would make fantastic eyebrows on an owl, but I think I've done it where the plates have been like the same. So that's like the white side, and then I can just just flip it. It just gives him a quizzical look. Oh, hello. I'm a quirky owl. So there you have snazzy cut. And of course with the rest of the plate, I would just do the feather cutting all the way around to the inside here, and I'd save the rest for something else, but I don't know what. And if I manage to cut around that, I'll save the label. That's a nice quick one.